Hello and welcome to a rental listing. This is our first full-size 3-level Laneway suite. We're in the Pocket right now. Beautiful, quiet Pocket. Phin Park is just on the other side of those houses there, which is a big long park celebrated by locals. And at the very end here, can you see if I zoom in, is a off-lead dog park. And so this is the rear Laneway suite, which is associated to and built by the homeowners in this home here. They'll be kind of redoing this a little bit, but in the meantime, this is their brand new structure. So it's 2 levels plus a full basement. Has a separate entrance to the basement, which is probably not required for the purposes of your stay or tenure here as a tenant. You're going to find a lot of windows. There's a window well there and another large one on the other side, which we'll see from the inside. Also negotiable, and obviously this is incomplete, is some sort of outdoor patio or porch space that's going to take place just recessed in there, just to greet your neighbors as they go to the dog park. So we walk in. This is a very high-end build. No expenses were spared, except the dishwasher, which is still coming. Supply chain issues et al. So I've just taken off my shoes here, and you'll see we're greeted by a full-size, very similar to a condo, except in this case, you know, the caliber of the build, the quality of the appliances, the size of the appliances in particular are all a little bit more than what you'd expect. You know, pot fillers, and just all of this beautiful, I don't think this is marble, but it is like a quartz of some kind. It's lovely, and it goes all the way up the side. It even comes, you know, all the way under here and up. Beautiful recessed lighting that's all single beam. It's really well done, you know, really high quality, dimmers everywhere. Big, deep, single sink. There's great storage in different areas. There's solutions for garbage and recycling in here. You can use good utilization of space everywhere. Lots of drawers. Dishwasher, like I said, is coming. So there's a variety of things you could do with this space. It was designed to have like a sofa here, your TV here, a little dining area here. And what's wonderful, of course, is you have a very lovely 2-piece powder room here. It's really quite lovely. Heavy doors, right? Lots of pot lights. Or if you want to utilize if you're a big cook and you want to have an enormous dining area here and put more of an armoire here, you could use your downstairs as your core living space. So let's go down there. Again, it has a separate entrance, which may or may not be useful. It would be great. It's great for sound travel. Again, lots of pot lights, quite bright, very wide staircase here. Little area for pictures. We have a polished concrete floor that is heated. We have these deep windows that lead to the window wells. This one is covered, as you know. And this is another one here. Still very private from everyone and everywhere. There's your controls for your heated floors. There is your panel. And then, of course, every level has a washroom. Another lovely 2-piece. Easy to clean. Sound won't be as bouncy if you get a carpet and furniture in here. This is your mechanical room with an ejector and all the latest equipment. So you only pay for hydro, gas, and therefore your heat and your water and your sewage is all included. As you can see, it's quite a warm space. It's all been built to the highest build qualities. That is spray foam insulation there. And I'm gonna hit some lights on my way out. This is a 3-way light switch. I didn't need to hit that. And let's go up now to the second level. So look at all these little nooks, by the way, for storage. All right, lots of areas for storage. So here we have turning stairwell, and just around the corner above us is a skylight. There's 2 skylights. There's one in the washroom, and there's one in the hallway. It's not terribly bright right now. Outside, that is. Big vanity, heated floors. As soon as I walk in, I can tell. Heated floors, nice big mirror. Amazing rain head. They call it the Niagara Falls head. Handheld, recessed shower cubby. Glass enclosure. Good if there are kids. And then in this hallway, we have the entrance to both the bedrooms. Everything's very efficient, and a full-size, high-end washer dryer with a light in there. More controls for your AC. This is, of course, being built to the most recent code. We'll have all your smoke and carbon dioxide detectors, one in each bedroom and then everywhere else. There's connections for wall mount TVs, closets with organizers that have been really well done. Very solid, everything's beefy and quiet. This is a great corner window here. TP-Link, ask me what that is. Double closet. These are the celebrated neighbors who have, who are a lovely couple and are redoing their house, so that'll be done pretty shortly. This is the double closet, and here, lots of organizers. Again, beefy, and a light in there. We've got laminate flooring up here. You know, big casement windows. Great view. This is going to be north, this is going to be west. That's your east and your dog park. There's ceiling light fixtures everywhere you turn, and an abundance of light and space. And so we're hoping that you will enjoy this property as much as they have enjoyed building it for you. And please reach out to your agent to arrange a booking, and you can get a taste for this place all on your own. It's like a combination of a detached home, quiet living, but almost like a condo as well, insofar that it's efficient, it's brand new, and you get to be submerged or immersed in a lovely little community without being, you know, elevators and this and that. There's tons of ample street parking, so parking is not a problem, just on the street right here. So we hope that you'll see the benefits of living in a Laneway suite. Please reach out. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.